Are your customers leaving you faster than a bad Tinder date? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Losing a committed customer can feel like heartbreak, but it's time to address the problem head-on. Is it them or is it you? Let's find out. Acquiring a new customer can cost 5 times more than retaining an existing one, so it's crucial to keep your current customers happy. But if they've already started to slip away, don't panic just yet. With a killer win-back email campaign, you can reignite their interest and get them back on board. We'll take you through the basics of creating a successful win-back campaign and show you a real-world example of how CleverTap won back their lost customers. So buckle up and get ready to win back those customers. And hey, if you want more awesome videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's talk about a super effective way to win back customers who've ghosted your business. A win-back email campaign is a well-thought-out plan to lure back customers who have stopped using your business. It's a fantastic strategy to lower your customer churn rate and boost your chances of retaining existing customers. In this game, you've got to win more customers than you lose to keep your business thriving. And when it comes to winning them back, most marketers, like brilliant minds at CleverTap, opt for email campaigns. It's a non-intrusive and familiar way to connect with customers and gives you the space to make compelling offers. The ultimate goal of a win-back email is to get customers to start engaging with your business again. And while a well-crafted email can do wonders, a series of targeted and well-timed emails can do even better. So, what's the first step to starting your win-back email campaign? Before you hit send on your re-engagement email, ask yourself, do you really want this customer back? Not every customer who stops shopping on your site is worth the effort, so set some rules to filter out the ones you don't need to target. Here are a few limits you might want to consider. First and foremost, don't send emails to people who have explicitly opted out of your email list. Not only are they less likely to come back, but it's also against the law to send emails to those who have requested to be removed from your list. Focus your efforts on those who are still on your email list and have a better chance of returning to your business. Remember, it's not just about getting any customer back, it's about targeting the right customers who are more likely to become active users again. Stick to these rules to increase your chances of success. Your lost client list should be divided and conquered. Not all lost customers are the same. You must segment them and devise distinct win-back strategies for each group. Someone who made a single purchase and then stopped has different needs than someone who was a loyal customer for months before disappearing. CleverTap did exactly that. They discovered that 6 months of inactivity was the ideal time to send a win-back campaign after analyzing their data. They designed a 3-email sequence with each email building on the one before it, making it easier for the customer to engage with the content. This strategy not only kept the subject line consistent, but it also gave the customer more value. Email 1. Recognize their reasons for dropping out. One of their key strategies is to follow up with potential clients who requested a demo but never proceeded with it. In such cases, CleverTap reintroduces themselves in the email and aims to understand why the demo was not conducted. The goal is not to promote the company, but rather to gather feedback and improve the brand. CleverTap believes in empowering their users and encouraging them to share their experiences to benefit others. They value each email recipient and ensure that each email gives them some form of value. For instance, CleverTap includes a link to informative material on their blog in the postscript of their emails. Email 2. Mention the advantages. In their second email to potential clients, they highlighted the features and benefits of their product before asking the recipient if they would be interested in a brief phone call. To provide peer validation, CleverTap included a postscript in the email that directs recipients to a platform for software reviews. By doing so, users could read comments from other consumers who have already experienced CleverTap's offerings. This allowed potential clients to make a well-informed decision based on real-world experiences rather than just taking the company's word for it. Email 3. Display client successes. Let's discuss the final email of CleverTap's email marketing strategy. Just like their name says, they did a clever thing. In this email, CleverTap showcased the success stories of various brands that have succeeded with their product. By providing tangible numbers and results, they were able to demonstrate the value of their product in a compelling way. As this was their third attempt to reach out to the potential client, CleverTap assured the user that they were not trying to bother the customer. In fact, they invited the user to respond directly to them, indicating that they are open to any feedback or questions that the user might have. Nice move indeed. The result: CleverTap nailed their win-back campaign. They sent a 3-email sequence to around 500 people in their CRM and got a whopping 44% open rate with at least 220 views. Plus, a 27% click-through rate means that 135 people clicked on a link or two. But wait, there's more. A 35% response rate meant that around 175 people replied to those emails. Thanks to this campaign, over 45 prospects re-engaged and over 70 users gave valuable feedback. Talk about impressive results! Plus, it provided CleverTap with insights into why their product didn't appeal to some potential customers, which competitors they lost the most customers to, and how to improve their sales team's performance. Besides these, we suggest you try some other excellent approaches that could work to win back your lost customers. We miss you email. The We Miss You email never fails to touch your reader's heart. Even though it's based on a generic pattern, it always feels different. It tells your reader that you value their presence and have noticed that they haven't done anything lately. One popular makeup line that mostly sells to women uses modern, enticing language to remind customers that items that were sold out before are now back in stock. This works well for clients who haven't been active in a while, but may return with a little extra incentive. Also, you can offer a freebie, because who can say no to a free gift? Almost no one, especially when it's a free sample of stuff they really want. You can start writing your email with a catchy subject line that says, "Can we buy you, fill in the blank, with a product your business sells?" In the body of the email, you can say something like, "Hey," fill in their first name, "we noticed you've been away for a while and we miss you too much. Heart emoji. To win you back, can we buy you a," fill in the blank, with a freebie. When you shop for, fill in the blank with an amount. Claim your freebie by clicking the link below. And for the CTA, you can use "Take Me There," which links to your website or cart. The FOMO example of a win-back email. People don't like being left out. We don't like it when our friends' Instagram stories show them partying while we're in bed, or when our best friend wears the dress we've been eyeing for ages. You can use this feeling to help you write your next email sequence to get them back. Include a list of your best-selling products, items that are nearly out of stock, or sample sales in your next targeted email marketing campaign to convince former customers to return to you as soon as possible. Start your email with a catchy subject line like, "We don't want to say goodbye just yet, and let us tell you something about our newest and best products or services that are already selling like hotcakes." You, our valued customers, shouldn't miss out on the chance to get them before they're all gone. Click now to find out about our new collection and be one of the first people to get it. And at the end of it, leave a link to your website. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in providing you with some valuable insights and tips on how to win back customers. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. See you at the next one.